All right, today we are working on an apartment building, specifically one unit. The previous tenant, well, it's probably many tenants before him, but they kind of beat the shit out of the radiators. It's got baseboard boiler heat, so they got the metal radiators. I already tore out the old shells. We're going to reuse the pipe inside. I mean, the pipe isn't perfect, but, you know, it's a landlord, so we just do the best we can with the budget we got. So we're going to put new shells on, make it look good, and then, oh shoot, I'm locked out. And then we'll go from there. But first I got to figure out how to get in here. So I'll check back in a minute. Okay, we made our way in. You can see here's our baseboards. They're in each bedroom and in the living room here. Here's your old tubing. And you can see the fin. We're going to try to straighten the fins out the best we can, and blow them out too, so they got good heat distribution. But that's essentially the deal. It's a lot easier to just replace the shells than the pipe, because if we did the pipe, we'd have to bleed the boiler zone out and all that. So here's some more shells. And then we have this room. This is a full corner. I'm gonna have to take a chunk and put it in there. And then those little guys there, you'll see, but they cover the gap. And here's the one that we'll take the chunk from. And then here we have another room, and you can see we're missing it's about a foot there. So that'll get a chunk too. So hopefully we have enough to splice in where we need it, and we'll see how we go here. Okay, so we got our baseboards installed. Here's room number one. They're not perfect because it's old pipe underneath, but they look pretty good. Hell of a lot better than what they had. Here's the corner unit. You see it go into the corner. And there you have it.